Good morning, villains. We're out here today with Christian and Brendan. What's up, guys? We are filming a new prank. A new prank in Venice Beach. And what do you think, dude, the reaction we just got?
It's our ending right there.
Yeah,
it's
dude. Epic. But I think in my videos, if you guys didn't notice, every reaction is like the ending. Always trying to bring out the quality, not the quantity. So that's why, I've been shooting a movie, but that's another reason why I haven't been uploading, because I'm trying to get this epic prank for you guys. So we're here waiting for certain people to go by and prank them. I'm not gonna tell you how, but when you see the video, you're gonna know.
I see you.
What's up, guys?
Do you mind if we take a picture with you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alright.
Did you guys call each other to
Coordinate.
Oh no, we just came out of the hotel like
and
that.
those are your sisters? Or
No, I have a little brother. Those are his
oh, there's
sisters.
two girls wearing pink too. I'm gonna call them the Pink family.
Oh, yeah, I snapped a couple.
Awesome.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Thanks, man.
Dude. Thanks so much, man. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this video should be epic. Having a little lunch break, and these things came on. Hey, Seagull. Catch it. Come here. Yeah, you guys enjoying your lunch?
Motherfucker!
Yo, pick up the box. You can't just leave it on the grass like
No,
that.
I won't. I'm scared of them.
I'm gonna prank Brandon. Let me see.
Yo, take some friends, take some friends.
Whoa! Let me put it on your head. I can't move, so tell me what's going on.
Don't move. You're good, right there.
Ah! Ah! Fuck it. Come on! You motherfuckers! Just grab it! Fuck you. I ain't waiting any longer.
Run through there.
Ah! Whoa. I'll take off my glasses. Awesome. Thank you.
Nice meeting you. What's
Nice
your name?
meeting you. Vitaly, what's your name?
Nina.
Where are you from?
Slovakia.
Slovakia. So you speak Russian or no? Говоришь по-русски? No? See ya. Oh my God. So your boy just got detained. Cops again, huh? That was good. What'd you think, dude?
It's pretty wild, man.
Pretty wild.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah, so we're switching locations now because they didn't kick us out really, but I got handcuffed. They told the other cops what we're doing, and it's not really that fun, so we're gonna switch locations. Alright guys, after I got arrested today, I'm headed to Shake Junk premiere. Dustin and Ed invited us, and it's gonna be Skate Tank, Shake Junk premiere, right Brendan?
Shake Junk Skate Tank.
Yeah.
I think.
Anyways, it's supposed to be a lot of pros, and I want to meet all the pros that I used to look up to. I'm still look up to, but I don't skate anymore. When I used to skate, I used to die to meet Andrew Reynolds and all those guys, and it's supposed to be there, so it's supposed to be really fun, so I can't wait. Almost got in the crash. I was almost gonna comment.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm putting that in there.
You've been filming this. So the homie Dustin let me out here with Ed, and we're doing how old are you? 27. Look at this guy, he's 27. Look at this. We're at the Baker's Park, right? It's the Baker's Park. So everybody's skating here. Dustin Dolan, Andrew Reynolds. It's pretty wild out here. Show them around.
That's that slap it, damn it. That's slobber, man. Fucking drooling. What is fucking
He's knocked out.
How the fuck does he do it? I don't know. How do you pull so many bitches, bro?
I don't pull girls, I just pull a regular amount like everybody else.
Nah, dude, you gotta teach me your wisdom, bro.
The videos. Should I do more how to pick up girls videos?
Yeah, dude,
should I do how to more how to pick
please
up girls
let
videos?
him subscribe, follow him, everything.
This is my
so
vlog,
he can make
I think.
fucking videos.
This is my vlog. What do you mean I'm gonna still make videos? Guess who showed up?
It'll take like 5 minutes. Everybody
I got here before you. What'd you think about the video? Oh.
Yeah, but it was long.
It was good. That little kid, who's that little kid?
Oh, freaking T-Funk.
T-Funk.
Killed it.
That kid rips.
Fucking this big. Better than everybody.
Bro, the video was the shit. Now it's time to go home and edit my new prank.
Your boy, Terrell, your boy. Yo, hey, that Walking Dead.
Go lay down. Lay down right here. Lay down. Oh, you want to kiss me? So, brother, you want to sit down, dude? You want some water? So we're at In-N-Out right now, and we're wrapping up the day. The escape video was crazy once again, but it was so cold that I had to put one piece. What do you guys think? That camo one piece, dog. What do you guys think? Nah, but anyways, we're gonna eat some good food right now and go to sleep. До свидания. Wait, you wish you had what?
My shirt.
You have a Natalie shirt?
Yeah.
Oh shit. She's
I just got my rental because it's in my car. I wear it all the time.
Oh, that's nice. Well, she hooked us up with she didn't hook us up. We have to pay
You
for it.
wanna shake?
No, no,
You
no.
wanna shake?
No, I don't want to shake. It's more chocolate.
Oh.
I've been
You
eating
can have
every day.
vanilla. Are you gonna have one on my phone, please?
What?
I want one on my phone.
Oh, of course, sure. No, we just want to make a video, but if you guys see her, say hello for her,
Oh
okay?
my god.
Yeah. This In-N-Out.
In-N-Out, store 111, come out.
Yeah, do you eat a lot?
Yeah, double.
How young are you?
How hungry am I?
How young are you?
Oh, I'm 22.
Okay, so I'm allowed to look at her butt. Let me see.
Oh, I have no
Okay.
butt.
No, she has butt. Okay. It looks like the burgers are working. All right.
The burgers are working.
Just kidding.